We are now going to begin the Project Lead the Way PLTW part of our learning journey. So, I'm first going to teach you how to access your PLTW curriculum. If you just go to Google and put in PLTW, and you can click on the PLTW homepage, and then right up here you'll see Log In. Now, first thing you're saying is, Ms. Collins, I don't have a username. Aha, but you do. Okay, go to Schoology, go into your computer science class block. We are now on Unit 2, lessons for September 10 through 24. Click on that folder. Here are our assignments for this week. And under Monday, you will find this wonderful PDF file that says find your PLT user numbers here, or names here, sorry. If you click on it and give it a moment to load, ta-da! You will see that each person's name and then their username are listed here on this page. It is in alphabetical order by last name, if that makes it easier for you. Okay, be sure to write that down so that you can use it, so you don't have to look it up every single day. I am going to email you your PLTW password. You'll find that in your school email account. But if you notice this, something like this under here is going to be your username. So you'll see your name, and then you'll see the username you have to use for Project Lead the Way, PLTW. Okay, so going back to my PLTW after you've written down your username and the password I emailed to you, you're going to go to sign in. You're just going to put in that username. I would suggest clicking Remember Me so that you don't have to remember that username every time or look it up every time. Click Next. Type in the password I've provided to you, and then just click Sign In. Now, you're not going to have all of this stuff on your screen like I do on my teacher version, but you are going to have courses right here where it says Courses. So you're going to click on Courses. And then you're going to see your class, which says Computer Science for Innovators and Makers. That's your class. Click on it. It does have some getting started information if you want to read that, the different distance learning opportunities, some skills for success using this online textbook. If you want to read through those, you are more than welcome to do thusly. Okay, then you see right here, Lesson 1 blank. We're going to click on that. Now, you'll notice on this left-hand side, we have different activities. Activity 1.1, Activity 1.2, Activity 1.3, and so on. I am going to use those numbers to refer to different assignments, so you'll know where to go in this online text to find what you need to do. All right, so you will have Activity 1.1, Activity 1.2, Activity 1.3, and so on. For today, you have Activity 1.1, and you are just going to read the short text and watch this short video. Then you will go to Schoology, go back under your Monday folder, and you see Activity 2. Create a PLTW online portfolio by clicking on the PLTW virtual portfolio template. So click on it. Then you are going to click on My Document right here so you can create your very own document. Go click. And it's processing. Now, do not hit Submit Assignment. Please do not hit a Submit Assignment. You're not going to hit that button until the very end of the 9 weeks. I'll be checking it as we go along, but do not click Submit Assignment at this time. Otherwise, it's going to lock you out of your portfolio. Okay, so you now have it. First thing you're going to do is add your name. And of course, it's going to mess up the formatting on it when you do it, so it's very easy to fix. Put your class block in, put your last name, and then that's all you have to do for today's project Lead the Way. Now, tomorrow, you'll notice it has part 1 and part 2 for your portfolio, and you're going to be working on your portfolio every single day. Okay, so if we go back to Schoology, and we go to tomorrow, you'll see the digital dive, and it will have the digital dive activity, and it says go to lesson 1.1 and click on the digital or distance learning digital dive and complete the activity provided. So in PLTW, you see where it says DL, the digital dive activity 1.1, you're going to click on that. And that way you're going to be able to use the virtual modules. Okay, so you're going to read through each one of these. You're going to watch the little video, and then you're going to go to your portfolio. And answer your questions for that day. So that day has 2 different ones, so you'll answer each of these questions. And that will be your assignment. Then we will continue in that same way. The following day, you have definitions that you will use in compare the hardware. So you'll go through, you'll read. If you notice, there are orange words that have to be defined. If you click on them, it tells you what the proper vocabulary word is. And then you can just put that in right here. Just type it in yourself. There is also a second part to that day's assignments where you list 3 examples of common processes or tasks that you're going to do or you see done on a regular basis. Then you're going to create an algorithm, which is a list of steps that you would use to brush your teeth. Like step 1, pick up the toothbrush. Step 2, turn on the faucet. Step 3, and create a list of steps. That is what an algorithm is. The following day, you will create a flow chart and so on and so forth. So we are building on each thing as we progress through Project Lead the Way, and you add to your portfolio. So you can't skip around. You have to follow it step by step, and I would suggest you do your assignments every single day and do not fall behind, because otherwise it will become very overwhelming, and I do not want that for you. I will be providing videos along the way and other instruction along the way, so you're not just being, given this. I am going to help you as we do each item. Thank you for listening. And if you have any questions, you are always welcome to email me.